ever heard of a brand having a calling card? Like a signature move that screams them. Think Bulgari's Serpentine bags or Chanel's tweed jackets. In the high-heeled world, Christian Louboutin takes the cake with his iconic red soles. This French footwear king didn't just accidentally discover the red sole revolution. Launched in 1991, Louboutin's label quickly became a cult favorite, known for pushing the boundaries of both design and your bank account. In today's video, we're about to reveal what exactly makes these shoes oh so expensive. Let's talk fashion. This one's a fashion fairy tale for the ages. Christian Louboutin's story isn't just about shoes. It explains the hefty price tag of his iconic red soles. Louboutin's path was unconventional, more sketching shoes than studying. He landed at Charles Jourdan, a Parisian shoemaking powerhouse. Louboutin chose Italy, a country synonymous with luxury craftsmanship, to bring his fantastical sketches to life. This meticulous, handcrafted approach translates into the price tag. Legend has it, Louboutin was struck by a bolt of lightning when he saw an assistant painting her nails red. He grabbed the polish, channeled his inner Picasso, and voila! Today, Louboutin's empire spans over 1 million pairs sold annually. This global recognition is a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to quality, heritage, and that unmistakable red sole. But here's the burning question. Why do these beauties cost more than a weekend getaway to Paris? Shoes are the ultimate investment piece, according to every shoe salesperson ever. Wear them once a year? Who cares? You'll still get your money's worth wearing them at that one event. Honestly, the real reason shoes have become the victim of price hikes is pretty simple. People are willing to shell out the big bucks and brands know that. But before you blame it all on luxury spending, Christian Louboutin has some not so glamorous news. Production and material costs are skyrocketing. And that's an understatement. Turns out the strong euro against the dollar and fierce competition for materials from Asian factories are making shoemaking in Europe a financial tightrope walk. Some luxury brands are even resorting to buying their own tanneries just to cut out the middleman. The bottom line, shoes are just crazy expensive, and it's not going to change anytime soon. Louboutin himself claims his production costs have doubled in the past 5 years, which might explain why a pair of his boots cost more than a week's groceries. Ouch! So the next time you see a jaw-dropping price tag on a pair of shoes, remember, it's not just about the hype. Rising production costs in Europe, Louboutin's stomping ground, are a major factor in those sky-high prices. It's all about maintaining that top-notch quality, but still, maybe invest in a good pair of walking shoes to deal with the shock. Let's face it, most shoes these days are about as exciting as watching paint dry. But Louboutins, they're handcrafted in Italy by artisans who wouldn't dare settle for anything less than perfection. There's crazy attention to detail, premium materials, and designs that redefine luxury standard. And that iconic red sole, it's not your average dyed leather. It's crafted from top-notch stuff, with a patent finish that screams quality, not quantity. Plus, they skip the harsh chemicals like excessive pigment and chrome because Louboutins care about your feet and the environment. Kind of. But at the end of the day, these shoes aren't just about looking good. They're about feeling good knowing you own a piece of fashion history. It all starts with a sketch after all. Now let's talk about the real reason you clicked on this video, the eye-watering price tag. Here's the thing, Louboutins aren't just shoes, they're customizable works of art. We're talking exotic leather, shiny embellishments, and unique silhouettes. Yep, there's a lot more to it than just slapping some red paint on the bottom. Each Louboutin red sole is a 30-step journey. It all starts with those sketches being transformed into 3D designs by seasoned cutters who wouldn't dare mess up a masterpiece. This is followed by meticulous stitching, sometimes with a blend of luxurious materials. And all the handmade soles are sourced from specialized factories. Applying that perfect red lacquer is an art form in itself. You have to make sure that the finish is flawless. But the real cherry on top is the surface detailing. From sparkling crystals to 3D appliques, Louboutins push the boundaries of design. You can create a shoe that's as unique as you are. These beauties are then brought to life by skilled artisans in Naples, Italy, before receiving the Parisian touch at Louboutin's workshop. Putting it all together, it's a global collaboration. The result is a shoe that wouldn't look out of place on a runway, or Danielle Steele's closet with her legendary 6,000 plus Louboutin collection. Since these shoes are so exclusive, of course the fashion elite are interested. From Sarah Jessica Parker's iconic Sex and the City strut to Oprah rocking red soles on the red carpet, you've probably seen these beauties a lot. They've become a symbol of ultimate fashionista status. But Louboutins are more than just celebrity hype. In fact, the red sole even transcends cultural boundaries. Take the 2017 collaboration with Sabyasachi Mukherjee, for example. It featured embroidered booties and pumps with the iconic red bottoms. You don't need to look further for the red sole status as a global fashion icon. Celebrities all over the world want to walk red carpets with red on their feet. Who doesn't love some vintage shoes? Loyal buyers of Louboutins appreciate one thing a lot. Since these shoes are produced in a limited amount, there are a lot of benefits. They can be considered vintage and offer some nice resale benefits, so the potential that a few years later they might be the next hot thing makes this an investment. Because let's face it, the vintage fashion market is booming, and Louboutins are a hot commodity. Classic styles, particularly those in great condition, are highly sought after by collectors. So while you might be splurging at first, there's a good chance you can get back a major portion of the cost down the line, or even make a profit. The story of Louboutin's red sole goes beyond aesthetics. The legal drama was intense too. Back in 2011, Louboutin faced a legal showdown with fashion house Yves Saint Laurent (YSL) over the red sole trademark. This landmark case established the red sole as a distinctive brand identifier, a first for a single-color trademark. This victory established Louboutin's position as the pioneer and undisputed owner of the red sole. And this was a massive win because it added a lot of value to both the brand and the design. So yes, the price tag might make you sweat a little, but with customization services starting at $4,000, you're not just buying shoes, you're investing in a conversation starter. Now go and dream up your perfect pair, and maybe start saving up your pennies. And that's all from us. If you want to know why some things are so darn expensive, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.